Question number 20 gives you the graph of the derivative function of f and wants you to find the parent function using the initial condition and the domain. So here's the derivative, and with that derivative we can plot our little number graph. So we plotted where the zeros are of the graph where they cross the x-axis, which is -1, 1, and 3. From there we can say, since the value is negative as from -2 to -1, that it is decreasing. And from -1 to 1, it is increasing because of the positive values. From 2 to 4, that it is decreasing again because of the negative values. And from 3 to 4, it is increasing because of the positive values. Next, we have the derivative function of it, and that was plotted here based on how this graph increases and decreases. So then we can find the number line of that, and since the values here are positive, we know that it is concave up. The values here are negative, and therefore that is a concave down. And the values here are positive because, and meaning it's a concave up. There are zeros a little less than 0 and a little more than 2 because of the max and mins of the derivative function. From there, we can plot our parent function using the different slopes and the initial condition. The initial condition is 0, 2, and from there we know that the slope from -2 to -1 is about 1, and that it is decreasing, meaning it's going down. So we drew a straight line down, and then from -1 to 0, it is 0.3, so we went a little bit, and it's increasing, so therefore it's going up. And then same thing is occurring here. It's a positive slope of 0.2. It's still increasing, so we increase more. And so then there's a 0 here, so we know it's some kind of change in slope, and it's decreasing because that's what it says in our line graph, and we're decreasing at a slope of 0.2, so we decrease, and then we have a slope of 0.3, and we're just going to keep decreasing until we get to 3 again, because that's where it crosses the x-axis, and that would be a change in direction. And then we increase again at 4, and we have a slope of 1. So from there, using the second line graph, we can assume where the concave ups are and the concaves down are and the concaves up again are. And that can be plotted there like that.